Let her go. Let her go.
For what?
Come here.
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from NY Detective. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. Police respond to Tampa International Airport after a confrontation between two women reportedly turns physical. By the time officers arrive, attention quickly shifts to sorting out what happened and determining how to handle the situation. The breakdown starts now.
152 control. Can I get a unit over here at the
Please hurry up and get this lady off of me.
I'm not doing anything.
You gotta let her go. Let her go.
The officer's first priority is creating separation. Giving each person space can reduce the immediate conflict and allow officers to assess what actually happened. Calling for additional units also gives him more options if either person refuses to disengage.
I'll go.
For what?
Come here.
Oh! You have no idea.
Don't.
What is wrong with you, lady?
Don't even.
You have no idea.
Don't even.
Because what? She's gonna keep doing
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Listen to me. I'm not.
Her attempt to re-engage changes the officer's priorities. Verbal separation alone is no longer working. At this point, physically controlling her creates distance from the other woman and limits another immediate confrontation.
No. I'm not.
Don't even.
For what, bro?
Once she continues resisting on the ground, the officer has to focus on gaining control of her hands and limiting her movement. Until that control is established, transitioning to the next step becomes much more difficult.
Give us your hand. Stop resisting.
Dude, do you think
Stop resisting.
Lady, put your hands behind your back.
No.
You have to put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your head.
With the officer initially managing this alone, continued resistance can quickly overwhelm his ability to control her safely. The bystanders stepping in gives him temporary assistance, but it also adds more people to an already difficult scene.
Hey, come here.
No. No.
Cuff on, come on.
Got one. Stay on the ground.
It was.
Hey, take over for this guy. Okay.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Hey, let go of the cuff.
Double it up.
Let go of the cuff.
No.
Lady,
Let go of the cuff.
Her attention on the handcuffs is now interfering with the officer's ability to secure her. Controlling the hands becomes the immediate priority. Until he can complete that restraint, his options remain limited.
No.
Let go of the cuff. Let go. Let go of the cuff. Let go of the cuff.
You fucking idiot.
Double it up. Get one on. We're good. We're good. Slow down. We're good. You got it.
Backup gives the officers enough personnel to divide responsibilities. One can focus on securing the restraints while the others control movement and positioning. That coordination should make it easier to bring this phase under control.
You got it. Don't let her grab the cuff again. We're good. We're good, boys. There you go. There you go. We're solid, boys. We're solid.
Good. Lock it up.
Locked.
Lock it up.
Getting the cuffs on doesn't end the restraint process. The officers still need to check and secure them so they remain properly positioned. That final check matters before they transition from controlling her to moving her.
Locked. Locked. All right. Slow. We're good. We're good. We got it.
What do you think that this is gonna get off you? This is not gonna get anything off you.
Roll it to the left.
Rolling left.
Roll it to the left. Lift up.
What do you think this is gonna get you?
The incident ended with officers getting her secured in handcuffs and taking her into custody. She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, disorderly intoxication, and threatening death or serious bodily harm to specified personnel. Once she continued trying to re-engage and resisted the officer's attempts to control her, The arrival of additional officers gave them the personnel needed to safely complete the restraint. What are your thoughts on how officers handled this incident? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think officers handled this one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.